Hello, and welcome to my channel. If you've not seen me before, my name is Lisa, but I can go by Liz or Lise, and I hope you're having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you may be, and welcome to this recording, if you will. If you're enjoying the content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, enjoy! Alright, and hello, and welcome to my recording today. My name is Lisa, but I can go by Liz or Lise, and I'm having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you may be, and this is going to be a recording of none other than the Nintendo Switch 2. And I don't usually do these kind of things, clearly, if you haven't looked at any of the videos on the channel here, but this is gonna be off the cuff, so I'm literally reading nothing, all in my head. Let's get into it. So this is, of course, the one for the Mario Kart version edition, if you will. That's the one that I got, and I got the one with the beautiful sticker on it, so isn't that nice and dandy? But this is the box still the same. And then you might hear some extra shufflings there. I don't know which way to turn it, just like this webcam. Is this the left side or the right side, you know? And then, of course, the back there, good stuff. And then last but not least, the side. And yeah, so I have done, though, a little bit of research of things, but don't know anything else about it. So let's just see how I can open this without totally wrecking it. I did slice it here because there was some tape, so see how I can do this. Maybe I'll have to cut it, you know. Cut the moment. Impressive. Got it. Okay. But now I must put it back down because that would suck, huh? It just happened to fly out. But okay. 1, 2. Reveal of course, the lovely new non-totally, yeah, that's right, drifting Joy-Cons, as well as, of course, the beautiful piece itself. That is, of course, the Nintendo Switch 2. So let me see here. It's nice, beautiful sealedness that it is. Yay. And then I will probably cut so we can get also closer views of it all. Now, I will admit that I am not a Joy-Con user. I never liked them. I was always a Pro controller user, and I did not invest in the newest one, but, you know, there's always future endeavors. I also was never one to like this color combination. It wants to focus. It likes the background better. But yeah, I was never one, let me recenter, to focus on the fact that, though this one didn't have the true color that I like, maybe in the future, maybe not. I'm just making sure it's okay and centered, because I could totally go wild. Now, I think the rest is, of course, self-explanatory of what's in here. All the fun stuff. Yeah, all the fun stuff. Because, of course, you got your whole beautiful holder, whole new one to hold them in. 2. Now you may wonder, why am I using one hand? It's because I have the other 2 in my other hand. And I think I can place them down behind me, so I'll do that. Okay. And so I did use this actually a little bit. That is for the original Switch. But yeah, even this was not my thing. And though I also realized that when someone pointed this out too, and that was, you got this, buddy, I promise. There we go. That, man, when you get new colors, if they decide to come out with new colors, that's gonna be not annoying whatsoever. Are you on about colors? Did you like any of the colors that they did release? And if there wasn't any, what are you looking forward to in, of course, it all? I did notice this in someone else's, that, yeah, it's separate. Oh no! I am from, sorry, the US here, so that's why mine looks like that as well. And then, of course, the true main other event, and that is the lovely dock itself. All right. Heftier, it can breathe better, hopefully so. I would show the other one, but I'm afraid mine is still plugged in for streaming purposes, but there it is. Very nice, very nice. Yes, we think so, we say so. And you've probably seen totally so many better of these kind of videos. I'm just kind of, you know, BSing it here as it goes. But nevertheless, that is more or less the unboxing of the beautiful pieces. And again, the next bit of footage that I will be showing is better angles of course, the Nintendo Switch 2 itself, as well as the Joy-Cons. So here they are. Alrighty, so this is the best that I got, and yeah, it is massive. I only had, of course, the original, but holy, I did also play undocked for quite some time. Rest in peace, the little stand that I could play and still charge at the same time. But yeah, this is a huge upgrade to me. That was just a little piece of something. Let me flip it. To, of course, the beautiful other side. I totally know which way to put it. Absolutely. Totally not cutting myself off left and right. Totally cutting myself off left and right. It's going to be a little cut. It's going to be weird cuts, but that's okay. But yeah, there it is in all of its other backside glory with that beautiful heftier stand that they also, of course, tried to improve with the OLED model. Fun stuff. And then, of course, let's not forget the other bit. So here, this way, the beautiful new Joy-Con with, of course, the C there, which I personally will not be using. It's just not something I care for. And there's your other little bit for connection and such. Disconnect, reconnect. Again, mostly I put them on and I leave it as is. And if I desperately need to, I will go and have to do the stuff to undock and all that fun stuff. But see, it's pretty simple, pretty easy, pretty clean. But just don't forget your safety, which also, of course, in the box there are the safety straps, because when you're doing motion, don't forget to not lose your Joy-Con. But nevertheless, all the same, there will be at least a picture here that I'll insert, and it'll already be inserted by the time I'm already yapping away like this. But that was my cute little unboxing of the Nintendo Switch 2. Again, I don't usually do these things. It was just a little fun thing that I wanted to do. So, of course, if you would like to see it in action for Mario Kart World, then check out my Twitch @_Liz. If you'd like, there's also a link in the abouts here down below in the description. And of course, don't forget to do the stuff that you do here, like, comment, and subscribe. Be kind. And of course, until next time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, once again, my name is Lisa, but I can go by Lister Lise. And I hope you have a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you may be.